Welcome to our 5th standard science online class. In the previous session, we learned about safety. Today in this session, we are going to learn about first aid. Get into the lesson. If an accident happened, we should not be panic. Panic means sudden sensation of fear. Immediately, we must give first aid to the injured person. Do you know what is first aid? First aid is the first or immediate help given to injured people before they are taken to the hospital. Next, let's see some first aid tips. In your book, there are 6 first aid tips are given. Today in this session, we are going to learn first 3 tips. Number 1. First aid for cuts and scratches. What is cuts? Cuts are injuries to the skin. How cuts are happened? Cuts are happened because of using sharp objects like knives, scissors, etc. What is scratches? Scratches are slight injuries. How scratches are happened? Scratches are happened by fingernails and unfinished wood, etc. Here some first aid tips for cuts and scratches given. First point, clean the wound with running water to remove dirt. Second point, apply an antiseptic cream. What is the use of antiseptic cream? The antiseptic cream is used to prevent infection and cover the wound with clean and dry gauze or bandage. Second, first aid for fracture. If we fell down, there is a more chance to get fracture in your bones. What is fracture? A break or crack in a bone is called a fracture. Here some first aid tips are given for fracture. First point, don't move the fracture part. Second one, a cloth sling or a splint should immediately be tied around the fracture to hold it, and the person must be rushed to the hospital immediately. Sling or a splint denotes the same meaning. Splint means thin strip of material used for supporting broken bones, and sling means a piece of cloth that you put under your arm and tie around your neck to support a broken arm and wrist. Third, first aid for burns. What is burns? A burn is damage to your body's tissues caused by heat, chemicals, electricity and sunlight. Do you know what are the different kinds of burns? There are 3 kinds of burns. What are they? They are minor burns, chemical burns and severe burns. Now we are going to study about minor burns. What is minor burns? It is an injury that affects the outer layer of the skin is called minor burns. Treatment for minor burns. Wash the burnt area under cool running water for some time. Next, apply antiseptic cream or a paste of baking soda on the burn. Next, chemical burn. What is chemical burn? A chemical burn occurs when your skin or eyes come into contact with an irritant such as acids or base. Treatment for chemical burn. Remove the cloths around the burnt area. Place the wound under cool running water. Dry and loosely wrap a clean bandage around it. Then call the doctor immediately. Next, third type, severe burn. It is an injury that affects the inner layer of the skin. Treatment for severe burn. A doctor must be called immediately. Any blister. What is the meaning of the term blister? Blister means swelling on the skin, usually filled with water. Any blister, if formed, must not be pricked. Also, do not try to remove any piece of cloth stuck to the burnt area or apply any cream or ointment. Today in this session, we learned about first aid and some tips for first aid. During the next session, we will learn remaining first aid tips. Thank you, dears.